No, no.
Yeah, the situation with Tay Roc getting his chain taken, I don't know what led up to them events. I don't think it's funny either, but he did bring it all on himself with his attitude, his mentality, and how he talks. You reap what you sow, so he was planting them seeds, them gangster seeds, like, telling people SMD and it's the gun bar king. So basically when you plant them seeds, that's what's going to grow. See what I'm saying? Now, what he does in battle rap as far as lyricism and all that, that's different. That's in the ring. But once you take it beyond battle rap, once you start daring people, like, talking like as if you're a gang member, that's when the streets get involved. Like, battle rap, keep that battle rap. I don't think it's funny that he got his chain taken either. You see what I'm saying? He could have lost his life and they put that gun up to him. So I don't think that part's funny, but I want to say this. Hopefully he learns from the situation, because he has been he's been on the front line. Remember something, Tayroc attacked somebody not too long ago, and he somehow got away with that. So he didn't think and stop at that time. Should have stopped in his tracks, because there's always somebody bigger and better than you, and there's always somebody that's you reap what you sow. What you dish out is what you're going to get back. So, and what I'm saying is this. I got Cassidy 2-1 over Arsenal, round 1 and round 2. I looked at the battle a few times. The first round was good. They both opened up with good first rounds. In the opening of the first round, they both opened up nice. But it's just that, to me, Cassidy was more consistent with battle bars. Arsenal was consistent. He was landing some haymakers. But to me, it came down to he had the more consistent bars that were landing. See what I'm saying? So third round goes to Arsenal. I don't think the third round went to Cassidy. And wearing a body bag, it was a close battle. I don't think Cassidy said the hardest shit I've never heard in the world, because I'm hearing Lux. That Lux performance against Calico, that's like the best what I'm hearing in the world. You see what I'm saying? So Cassidy definitely didn't spit the best stuff in the world. So we could cast that aside, but he did beat Arsenal. It wasn't a body bag, it wasn't a blowout. And like I said, Arsenal had some bars. Arsenal could spit, Arsenal's got cadence, Arsenal's got flow. But Cassidy was more creative. He's coming from different angles, and he is more effective in what he is doing. So salute to the world, salute to the real battle rap community, because I'm here for the culture. And what I mean by I'm here for the culture, I'm here for battle rap. Don't get confused talking about I'm a Cassidy fanboy, because I'm not. You see what I'm saying? Cassidy built his career, I'm building my own. So I'm not a Cassidy fanboy. If I see Cassidy lose a battle, I'm going to call it. But I'm just giving you my opinion that I think Cassidy won 2-1. I watched the battle a couple of times. I got him 2-1, rounds 1 and round 2. It's not a body bag. It's not the best stuff I'm heard in the world. Salute.